Nakagawa na ako, sumali na kayo. O, 4 na kami. Be, kaya mo na to, Be, ha? Guide mo kami. Guide mo kami. Kaya nyo yan. Live later night? Not sure, Bebe. Baka last live ko to for today.
I was waiting for you.
Ate, but for
I'm
4
rather
lang
busy
pwede.
these last time with some things. There are several cases of disappearances in a village. We will give you more information soon, but just prepare to go there from here a few hours. That's all. You can go.
Anong guide? Bakit hindi ba kami ga-guide? Ito na yung baril, oh. Ayan, no. Okay. Scanner, guys. Be, scan kita, Be. Ilang temperature mo, Be? Ay, hala, nagpula, Be. Quarantine ka daw, Be, 14 days. Be, quarantine ka 14 days. Saan nga ulit mahanap yung isang fragment? Shawarma ka, ngate, kung matapang ka. Diyos ko, yung shawarma, wala yun. Hindi naman nakakatakot yung shawarma. Kumakain po kasi ako. Okay lang yan. Co-op. Ay! Oo, maganda yung FNAF co-op. Yan, nilalaro ko yan. Yan, hindi na matatakot dito. Yan, pag lumabas siya. Diba? Ganun yun eh. Diba mind over matter? Paano nga ulit to, Be? Bye. Nagulat ka? Okay lang yun. 672. Ay, putek. Uy! Huwag niyong gagalawin, guys. May code yan. Maghanap kayo ng code. 612 pala. Diyos ko. Hi, Lexi. Hi. Ay, gagi. Yes. Di ba alam niya na? Ophelia. Game name, Ophelia. What's this? Ay, showtek na yan, te. Ang lala mo, te. Ang lala mo, te. What am I supposed to do here? Tatakbo ka lang ba? Kaya nga, hinahanap ko nga yung mga kasama eh. Ala? Ano nangyari?
You look scared. You should have these dreams coming over you, you know? You will feel better once everything is over. You will become like us. I'll come back to see you once you're ready.
Ano meron? Anong meron sa door? What's gonna happen here? Ayan na, nandito na kami. Hanap na ng 15
There was this
buttons.
woman. I remember her face now. It was horrifying.
Teka lang, hindi ko mabuksan yung flash. Ayun. 15 buttons. 15 buttons. 15 buttons. 15 buttons. Where are you supposed to find the buttons? Ano kami? 3 kami ata. Not sure kung na ilan natira. Pero I think 3 na lang kami. Wala. Bakla, wala makita. Press all the buttons. Teka. Press all the buttons. Oh, who the hell is that? Oh my god!
You shouldn't be here, all alone. I know you're out there somewhere.
What the heck? Ah! Bakla! Inahabol ako! Wisa!
You shouldn't be here, all alone. I know you're out there somewhere.
Teka lang, may 12 na kami. Oh my god! Shut up. Leave me alone. Ah! Okay, nakatago ako. What are you supposed to do here? Ayun na. Nasaan na po yung multo? Ang pangit ng boses ng multo. Hi! Hi! Hello! Ano nang gagawin dito? Ano to? What's that? Ayun! Enable all computers. Okay. Ito. Ito ba? What computers? Wait. May mga habol lang dyan kapag doon kailangan nyo hanapin lahat ng computers. Ha? Sinong nangahabol dito, be? Hala? Bakit hindi ko mabuksan yung computer? Sila nabubuksan nila. Ate, parang para kami nasa aeroplano, no? Ate, may next game ka po. Depende. Feel ko yan yung barricade something kanina. Wala na dito. First, ay, oh my god! Hala. Shotek, nag-jolt ako doon. Visit siya. Ay, nabuksan na namin! Kaya pala! What's this? What's this place? Thank you for following po. Hello, Bebe Joanna. What's this place? Okay, they know what they are doing. Mamamatay na kaming lahat. 3 na lang kayo. Yung isa ata ay nasa likod namin, Bebe. Chapter 1 end. Ay! Tapos na! Tapos na! Talaga? Yun na yun?